good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll be telling you how you can stop automatic updation of apps on your Android mobile. See, this is a small setting. You just need to disable one single setting in order to stop automatic updates. Click on your Play Store app on your mobiles. Yeah. At right top corner, you will see this profile picture, right? You need to tap on this, and at the bottom you will find the settings gear icon and settings option. You need to tap on this settings option. Under here you will find network preferences. You need to click on this drop down, and the second option, auto update apps, tap on this, and by default this option will be checked like this: update limited amount of mobile data. Means using the mobile data, few of the apps can be updated, but if you want to turn off that, click on don't auto update apps. So if you check the last option, from next time the apps on your mobile won't get updated automatically. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.